Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel. This is the IKEA solid wood table, but it was painted before, not very successfully. Today I am trying to achieve that nostalgic old look with the chalk paint wash and the decorative waxes. I am using the Annie Sloan cream chalk paint as a base coat. I am going to create a lot of texture, and I don't brush the paint, I am stippling it. A texture will help me to create a lot of low and high points. Later you will see why I want to create them. I have ended up applying 2 coats of a cream paint. Next step, I am using a paint wash with the French linen chalk paint by Annie Sloan, mixing 1 part water and 1 part paint. Applying the wash crisscrossed will create even more depth. With the paint wash, I am using the moist cloth. It helps me to balance the paint and control the way I am applying it. This rugging technique with the color wash gives a bit of a stone effect. But I am going to use 2 more color washes. Keep watching to see why. I am painting in sections because the chalk paint can dry easily, and if it dries, it will be more difficult to move and control it. With the wet baby wipers, I am slightly distressing the high points. Here I am using a second color wash with the dark egg blue chalk paint. I am hoping it will give that bluish, rusty look to the piece. After giving the piece another 12 hours to dry, it is ready for the next step. I am doing the 3rd color wash with the base cream color. Using 3 colors with the rugging technique gives the piece a kind of 3-dimensional look. Also, the cream color being used as a last wash will bring the colors together and will create a dusty, aged look. haven't finished with creating the depth and high-low points yet. Keep watching. The tabletop is sanded to the wood and is ready for the next step. On the tabletop, I am also trying to create some depth and using all three color washes I have used on the bottom of the table. Watch how I do it. Just one tip here, always wipe the paint in one direction. And I am painting the trim of the table with a dark egg blue and slightly brush the paint into the top of the table. After I left the piece to dry overnight, it is ready for the last step. To enhance the colors, I am using a black wax. But, as you already learned in my other tutorials, I always use a clear wax first. I slightly brush the black wax into the low points. To bring the colors together on the tabletop, I have slightly sanded it with a very fine sandpaper and covered with a transparent varnish. And here it is. I love the way it turned out. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I value your opinion and would really love to see your comments below.